So here we've got the FTX tracer, truggy, it's brushed, 16 scale. Let's see how this performs outside. So here we've got the car itself, which has got these little grip things, which is quite handy for putting up the body shell clip. Got the remote, we've got the manual, the stickers, and we've got the charger and the random bits and bobs of tools and the wing. That's about it. So let's get on to seeing what's underneath the shell. Brush motor, 390 size. We've got a ESC with a built-in receiver. We've got a servo, of course. Pretty sure this battery in here is actually a 2-cell because it's 7.4 volts. They do say that it's 1 cell, but last time I checked, 1 cell was 3.7 volts. It also says on the back 700 milliamp hour. This is actually 800. So in theory, with a 2-cell. There's a little strap. It's quite a cute little car actually. Tyres don't feel the best, I don't have no foam in them, but what can you expect from a £60 car? As you can see, we're just putting the lights into the actual car. Red light's blinking. Must be charging. Don't need them. Batteries and remote. All done. Bring it to a hop, you're back and it's all your fault. That's how it was and that's how it is. Battery time. One, go! Whee!
This thing drifts. I think you keep catching the grass. Grass.